Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best breadboard is probably one of the most important tools for electronics enthusiasts and professionals alike, enabling quick prototyping and testing of circuits without soldering, saving time and resources. Whether you're a hobbyist building a simple project or an engineer designing complex systems, a high-quality breadboard is an invaluable asset in your electronics toolkit, facilitating experimentation and efficient circuit development. Number 5. Breadboard Set Kit. This kit is perfect for your prototyping needs. It includes 6 400-pin solderless breadboards, ideal for Raspberry Pi and Arduino projects. It features consistent hole alignment and easy pin insertion, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. We guarantee your satisfaction. Say goodbye to frustrating debugging sessions. It's designed to eliminate common breadboard issues, letting you focus on your project's creativity. The precisely aligned pinholes prevent intermittent connections. It's built for reliable performance. This set is a great combination for your prototyping needs. They snap together easily, making it excellent for Arduino proto shields. Your kit includes 6 breadboards, each with 400 tie points. Everything you need to start building is right here. What we like. It's a great value with 6 breadboards. If you need multiple boards for larger projects or sharing, this is perfect. Its easy connection makes prototyping a breeze. You'll save time and frustration, focusing on your project, not the breadboard itself. What people say. Works perfectly fine for basic circuit schematics. I use this for my college electrical circuits lab and it works really great for making a bunch of different small circuits. Holes are spaced properly for most ICs and dev boards such as Arduino and Raspberry Pi. For larger projects the boards can be joined together in an endless number of configurations using the pins and slots along the edges. Also the internal clips hold wires and or components snugly, but just enough to ensure good electrical contact. Parts can be easily removed when needed. I like these. If I need a larger circuit, I can clip them together to make whatever size I want. They work well, and there is another seller on Amazon who has circuit boards the same size, so I can transfer my circuits for a permanent version. Number 4. Makeronics 3220 Breadboard. This solderless breadboard is a game changer for electronics enthusiasts. It offers superior connectivity and durability for all your prototyping needs. With 3220 tie points, it provides ample space for your projects. You'll never run out of room for components. 7 power lanes simplify power distribution, saving you time and effort. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. It features a robust ABS housing and metal contact clips, ensuring long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand daily use. The color-coded binding posts, black, red, yellow, and green, make it easy to identify connections. This simple feature saves you valuable time. It's perfect for Arduino Shield prototyping and testing. It's the ideal tool for bringing your Arduino creations to life. This breadboard is powered by Makeronics technology, ensuring quality and reliability. You can trust it for all your projects. What we like. This breadboard is massive. If you're working on complex circuits that need lots of space, this is the one for you. Its durable build ensures long-lasting use, even with frequent use. You'll appreciate the robust construction and ample space. What people say. Its quality is extremely solid, the contacts all seem to be good. Works good for class labs. Don't really use the top part of the breadboard but it's plenty of space and everything I need to get some work done. Great breadboard. Good amount of wires. Flexible and durable. Has many ground and power rails. Overall would last you 4 years as an electrical engineer undergrad student. Number 3. 830 tie point solderless breadboard. Frustrated with inconsistent connections and circuit failures? It's time to upgrade your prototyping experience. This breadboard offers consistent hole alignment and easy pin insertion, saving you valuable time and frustration. We're so confident in its quality that we offer a full refund if you're not completely satisfied. No questions asked. Spend less time troubleshooting faulty connections and more time bringing your creative projects to life. It's that simple. With perfectly cut holes and precise alignment, it ensures reliable connections every time. No more intermittent issues. This set is ideal for Arduino projects and other prototyping needs. They easily snap together for larger projects. You'll receive 3 high-quality 830 tie-point breadboards, ready to jumpstart your next project. What we like. 3 breadboards for the price of 1. If you need a few extra boards for different projects or to share, this is an excellent option. Its easy connection makes prototyping a breeze. You'll save time and frustration, focusing on your project, not the breadboard itself. What people say. The boards are of high quality, with sturdy construction that allows for repeated use without degradation. They feature well-organized grids and clear markings, which facilitate easy circuit building and testing. Works perfect. I like that the numbers and letters are clear and sharp. All electrical connections are well made and are durable. The slide pins on the sides of the boards also offer a nice press fit to keep multiple boards tightly together in place. Number 2. Solderless Breadboard Kit. This kit makes prototyping a breeze. It's perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. Say goodbye to frustrating misalignments. It features perfectly aligned holes for easy pin insertion. Spend less time debugging and more time creating. It's reliable and ensures consistent connections. Enjoy seamless connections every time. The precisely cut holes prevent intermittent connections. It's a great combination for all your prototyping needs. The modular design allows for easy expansion. This kit includes various sizes of breadboards to suit your project. Everything you need is included. We're confident you'll love it. Your satisfaction is our priority. A full refund is offered if you're not happy. What we like. This kit has it all. If you need a variety of breadboard sizes for different projects, this is the ultimate choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for various applications, from small circuits to larger projects. You'll be prepared for any prototyping challenge. What people say. They work as well or better than other brands of solderless breadboards that I have used. It's great to have 3 different sizes and different colors. This helps address different project needs. The connectors fit snugly on place so you are assured of the solid connectivity as you are building your circuit. The breadboard is perfect for hooking up multiple devices in different places, especially when space and weight matter. The dimensions were correct, which I was happy about because I had less than a mm to spare. The smaller pieces are good for placing LCD pins on. They are 17 pins across, my LCD has 16 across. That was a good thing as well. Number 1. Breadboard Kit. This kit offers 2 sizes of solderless breadboards, perfect for various projects. It's a versatile and convenient solution for your prototyping needs. You get 2 830-point breadboards and 2 400-point breadboards. This gives you plenty of space for even the most complex circuits. It features a durable white ABS plastic body with clear markings for easy component placement. The color-coded strips make it even simpler to use. The self-adhesive backing makes it simple to attach it to your Arduino prototype shield or other surfaces. Get started quickly and easily. It's compatible with a wide range of wires, from 20 to 29 AWG. It's ideal for use with Arduino projects and other DIY electronics. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hobbyist, it's the perfect tool for your next project. Start building your circuits today. What we like. This kit offers a great combination of sizes. If you need both large and small breadboards for different projects, this is the perfect solution. The self-adhesive backing makes setup a snap. You'll appreciate the convenience and versatility of this kit. What people say. They tightly hold on to inserted wires and components, but not so tightly that you think you'll damage the component with the amount of downward force necessary. The half-size boards are perfect for an ESP32 board and sensor. Note that the power supply rails can be easily detached from the main board if desired. I have found that these breadboards maintain good connections for a wider range of wires. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.